Hey everybody, how's it going today? Quick little note I wanted to tell you guys. Whenever you're working on like a door on a vehicle, especially a front door, if you're working on a B pillar, something like that, be mindful of something. I got this F-150 here that I'm taking apart. Working on this door here. I got to pull the harness out. This sensor, this is an airbag crash sensor. I have to take the harness out of this door to remove the door. It's easier to take the harness out of the door than it is to go up underneath the dash and pull the harness out. It's just easier doing it this way. But since I got to mess with this, what's the most important thing to do? Come up under the hood and disconnect the battery and isolate the cable. Now you got to wait a couple of minutes before you disturb it. Because you don't want any possibility of this thing detonating an airbag. Now, granted, the airbag had deployed in this car already, but not from this sensor, from a front sensor. So, but we have to change the door because the door has damage on the outside. So that's the reason for we're taking it apart. We have another door to put on it. So I got to transfer everything over. The other door had a power window. This was a manual window with a manual crank lever. So, but it's just easier, like I said, take the harness out. But just be mindful of that. Anytime you do any work on an airbag system, disconnect the battery. I've seen way too many airbags deploy. I've seen all of them deploy on a vehicle one time because somebody was messing with the module, didn't disconnect the battery. Every airbag in the car blew off. Could have been completely avoided, but things happen. I'd rather be safe than sorry. I'd rather spend the extra 2 minutes disconnecting a battery and then having to reset the clock later on than explain to the customer, hey, guess what? We got to put all new airbags in your car. So just something to keep in mind. Yeah, so, all right. Hopefully you're getting something out of my videos. If you are, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.